Here's a quick little video of if you were wondering if Hella Supertones will fit in a Kia Soul's, what do you call that, fog light space. Yes, they will. So this is where it fits. It fits pretty good. I'm gonna say, you know, better than the little plastic. So let me show you how to mount it. So I'm sort of midway through. You can cut this plastic along that ridge there. I'll clean it up in a bit. I'll clean this one up too. So as you can see, you just cut that out and it will, because it's plastic, it will hold the light in. So let me show you that. Oh yeah, I just use a Dremel, little cutting bit, easy peasy. So now when you get that cut, and I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit for a better fit, but take this and you can lay it back down where it was, screw it in. Here we go. And once you screw it in, it's not going anywhere. It's a nice snug fit, feels real good. And then you can get your, you know, your wiring harness and all that good stuff to wire up the horn. I'm gonna put a relay in. I don't know if you have to or not, but I figure can't hurt. So there you go. If you're wondering if it's possible, yes, it is.